We're talking about solving systems of equations. We want to solve it by graphing and using algebra. And one of the methods we can use is elimination. So if this method is helpful when we have a variable, when none of the variables have a coefficient of 1. So in this case, we look at the system that we're given, and we can see that none of our variables have a coefficient that have a 1 in it. And so we have to figure out what will be the easiest way to get these to cancel out. So what can I multiply the top equation by, or what can I multiply the bottom equation by in order to get them, one of the variables to cancel out? So here I have a negative 10 and a positive 25. So negative 10 already has the opposite sign of 25, so I don't have to deal with the negative. And then how do I make 10 become 25? Well, if I multiply it by 5, that makes 50. So 5 times 10, 5 times negative 10 is 50. I wanted to get to 25. So if I divide 50 by 2, that will give me what I'm looking for. So I'm going to distribute the 5/2 to all of the parts of the equation. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 5 times 3 is 15x. Negative 10 divided by 2 is negative 5. Negative 5 times 5 is 25. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. 5 times 6 is positive 30. So then we can go ahead and we add these equations. Negative 15x plus 15x is 0. 25y minus 25y is 0. And negative 30 plus 30 is 0. So then we get 0 equals 0. So what does that mean? Infinite solutions. So if we have a constant equal to the same constant, that one is consistent. Dependent, or infinite solutions.